Phoenix Fire here, and I'm starting up a new series called Vlog. Yes, a video blog. Guess what's inside this box? You'll never guess what's inside this box, because every box has a little surprise in it. Yep, and it's huge. I mean, just look at it. It's like flippin' huge. I guess we're gonna have to find out until vlog number 3. Yes, vlog number 2 will be opening this box and find out what it is. But we're just gonna have to wait until Christmas. Yes, this box will be wrapped in wrapping paper. And when I open it, something will happen. Something great. Oh God, it's just what I have always wanted in my life. Official Japanese letters. And a fan. How vintage. Oh my God. This order was from Amazon, so yeah. But you're gonna have to guess what's inside this box. If you make up the best guess, then you get to have a shout out in one of my videos. This is Phoenix Fire signing out. Ouch.